Yes people, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rom. If it's your first time here, I drop sneaker content on this channel at least once per week. In today's video, it's another sneaker review and it's another Air Jordan 1 Zoom review. We're going to be taking a closer look at the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort in this London colorway. I'm going to be breaking down this iconic silhouette, looking at the design, materials used, and we're also going to be touching on some resale as well. So stick around for that. Let's get straight into the video. So this is the third Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort I've picked up this year. I picked up the PSGs and I also got the Cannon Rust as well. And for me, this is definitely the best colorway of the three in my opinion. I really like this grey, this smoke grey type colorway. And every single time I've picked up one of these comforts, the colorway, the materials used, everything about the shoe is just top tier, next level. You get really premium material on every single one I've picked up. The material they use on the shoe has been premium, very nice. On this one you get some really nice tumbled leather, amazing quality. So this Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort in the London colorway, it pays homage to the urban scene of London with all the tones and textures you get on the shoe, and I'm a massive fan of this colorway. Very nice. Anytime I see a smoke grey colorway on the Jordan 1, you know it's always going to be a hit, always going to be a sellout. Colorway is just insane. I'm a big fan of this shoe, and obviously this is the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort, so you do get the extra padding and support around the sock liner. So this sneaker dropped in the UK yesterday. Retail was £130. This sneaker was widely available with most of the major retailers like N Clothing and Sneakers and Stuff getting pairs of this shoe. I took a massive L on the Sneakers app, but I managed to hit on a raffle for this shoe. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, you get some very nice materials on the shoe. So let's have a closer look at the shoe. Starting with the toe box of the shoe, you get this nice grey color, tumbled leather toe box, very nice. The mudguard of the shoe has this nice leather as well, and it's in another shade of grey. You come to the midsole of the shoe. Midsole is in this off-white type colorway. You come to the side panel of the shoe, and with all the zooms, you do get the swoosh that is cut out of the shoe, and it's in this nice mesh color. Very nice. You come to the back of the shoe and you get your normal Jordan 1 back, but you do get some nice leather on the back as well. Come to the outsole of the shoe. The outsole is in this nice grey color. All in all, this is a very nice shoe. Does not look mass produced in any way. Very nice colorway. So let's talk about quality of the shoe, and from the start this shoe has no issues with glue, no issues with stitching, no issues at all. And I think that is a recurring theme with the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comforts. All three I've reviewed so far got a 9.5 out of 10 because they use very nice materials on them. Like for instance this leather on the toe box, tumbled, very soft, very buttery. It's just a very nice shoe, very well put together, does not look mass produced, and for that reason this shoe gets a 9.5 out of 10 for quality. Very nice. So that brings us on to resale, and I definitely see these shoes going one way, and that is up. This colorway is just too nice, too wearable. If you look at the smoke grey mids, those are flying, and I expect these to do the exact same. This colorway is definitely one for the summer. And when it comes to numbers, this sneaker is currently reselling for around 200 to about 400 in most sizes. That is a big spread of numbers, big spread of the sizes, but I definitely see the starting price of this shoe in 6 to 8 months to be £350 because of how nice this colorway is. This is definitely one for the summer, so hold until the summer months. These will definitely go up in value in my opinion. So that's my thoughts on resale. So that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember, if you find information useful, hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Got so many more videos coming in the next couple of days. And also hit me in the comments and let me know what you think of these. Peace.